Remember, make them beg.
Osiris. Ow.
If you say easy, break up the thicker ones in smaller pieces for catnip day on the porch. It's so cloudy out.
He likes the little leaves. Thunderbird. Okay.
He's like, gets ferocious when it comes to catnip.
Osiris, you waiting? Osiris. Okay.
Good boy. He knows paw. Left and right.
T1. That's somewhere. That was my finger. Alright, you were eyeing this big leaf, huh?
Cats are funny when they eat catnip. Osiris eats...
Osiris can eat like the whole thing.
Because everybody has no teeth to grip it barely.
Hey, come on.
He's lifting his paw up. Osiris is like, more for me.
Eat up.
He's like, I want it now.
I'm giving him the little leaves.
You can give Osiris the minty. Look at him. Alright, just give it to him. So you're blocking the hand with it.
Here.
Alright, give him a piece.
That's cute.
Yeah, he likes to grab on when he eats something.
Is he still eating that one?
Yeah, give that one to Osiris. Let him beg. Say up.
Up. You know?
Look at you, Goofy.
Hey,
This
Goofy?
is the Meowijuana crack cat.
Alright, well, let's flip this one up a little bit. Osiris. Up. Paw. And then this one's for Goofy.
And that's the day of catnip on the porch.